Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Today we have the Bezgar HP161S brushless monster that comes with a 3S battery. What more could you ask for? Thank you, have a good day. No, I'm joking, stick around because in here we are testing the 2S battery because I know there are some people that want to see how fast it goes with the 2S to see if it's good for their children for Christmas. And of course, we've got the original 3S to see what top speed we can get at the speed run area. Let's get on. So ladies and gents, right off the bat, I put it straight up to 100%. It's pointless messing around with the lower ones. We want to know the ultimate top speed. As I said, the 2S battery is in there. The on button is there. And these little guidelines here are for putting the shell in. Look at that. Look how cool that sits in there now. Brilliant. So we're set to 0 on that. It says max. Let's go! Oh, okay. Okay. Come back. Come back this way. I think that's perfectly fine for children speed-wise. What's it like if it hits your leg? I missed my leg. We are doing the official John speed leg, hit leg challenge or something like that. Ready? 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 Ah! Didn't hurt, it's all good. And the car's not damaged. I am not going to do that with the 120 km/h EXO from ZD Racing. So what speed do you reckon? 45 on a 2S battery, ladies and gents. Again, I don't think that's too bad, and I think that's perfectly fine. If you're thinking about getting this for the kids, Colin, right, then you're probably going to want to know what it's like on 75%, aren't you? Because it will be slower. Duh. So we'll quickly do a quick 75% run. Click, go. Ah, 33, perfect. Come on, come on. Plop it in, slide it, shut it, lock it. There we go. So, reset the GPS. Turn this off and back on. I put it on 75%. Yeah, we'll just leave it on 75%, I reckon. Cool. That on. Light on. So 75%, it's got to be over 44, so I reckon 51. You, Colin?
52?
I'm not going to let it run into my leg this time. Whoa. That's 75%, remember. Handles quite well, really, on tarmac. It's not really designed for tarmac, is it? What did you say? I've forgotten already.
52.
52, and I said... So you're just trying to... 53. You need to stop doing that! Right, onto 100%. Reset. Let's go! Whoa!
57.
You're going 57, I'm going to go 63. I'll get it. I'll get it. So, that says, I believe, 63. What was it I said? I'm going to check on the editing. I'm sure I said 63. Just in case, obviously, because it could potentially go wrong when it was spinning. I'll reset it.
I'll go for 62.
You are such a monkey. knowing damn well it's lost a little bit of its top end power. Careful, careful. Nice. Oh no. What are you smiling for? We knew I was going to do it, Colin. I just don't understand what you're smiling for. I've had enough of you. 62.5. Unbelievable how you managed to judge these so incredibly well and accurately. So, ladies and gents, I've got batteries and everything everywhere. I know there's some of you out there that say the MGX version of this is better, but from what I've heard, Bezgar themselves have done several adjustments to their design. The materials on a couple of things are slightly different as well. It's 3S capable and it comes with the 3S battery. 62, 63 kilometers an hour on 3S for this thing, I think it's pretty good. But remember, you're not doing speed runs, are you? You're going to be bashing, and it's certainly got enough oomph off the bat, doesn't it? I like it. I do like this one for sure. Nice little lad too. That's worth $20 US, ladies and gents. You know, I just want to point that out. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you next time. Take care. Please stay safe. Bye bye.
Expensive shoes, you can get your own. She's gonna love you.